We were buying pound USD on Friday, guys. We hit a target. After hitting a target, guys, thanks to Iran negotiations failing, we had this big opening gap to the downside. So, guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? And guys, the answer is quite simple in my opinion, guys, for today. Today, guys, as long as the price stays below 1.1 and 1.34382, guys, we are bearish, and guys, we will be selling this. And guys, my first target is 1.34106, and guys, my next target would be this chart change. And guys, my second target would be 1.33820. Okay, guys, we are selling this. You know what? Let's just get rid of this target in the middle, and I guess this is enough. 1.3483822, 1.33820. And guys, if you break above this, I would have only one bullish target, and that would be the previous swing high. That is located at 1.34725. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Let me check out the A analysis. Okay, check platform pending rescan. And give it to analyze it. It did not analyze it. Let's do this again. Okay. So guys, just like the euro, gold, even the pound, the AI is bullish. Bullish continuation. The full chart provides a macro bullish trend, while the one chart defines immediate support for pivot for a potential entry. This is a strong dimensional alignment. Okay, I get that. The market is confirmed bullish structure. Okay, so let's see what it says on the chart. Today the AI and I are clearly on two different sides. So guys, it's buying from 1.3372 to 772, 133,772. Basically, it's buying from this bottom, guys, and its targets are 1.34759. 34759. Okay, this previous swing high, and the target too is 1.35. Okay, it's quite bullish, I guess. Let's see what happens. So basically, it's not exactly against me. It's telling us to buy from the bottom here, and I'm telling to sell to the bottom here. So we may end up in being both being correct. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.